Now, computer is also useful at the airports. Computers store the information of the passengers and their source and destination. Computer also helps in controlling the aircraft. So it is useful at the airports also. It helps us. So it is helpful to the passengers also, and it is also helpful to the to control the aircraft. Now the weather forecast. Computer gives a forecast about the weather, hurricane, blizzards or tsunamis. Whenever it forecasts what weather it will be. So it also helps the weather forecast or the weather department. It is very helpful for the weather department. Now the grocery shop. At the grocery shop, computers are used to weigh the items and calculate the bills. If you are buying anything from a grocery shop, it helps you to weigh the items and to calculate the amount which you have to give to the shopkeeper. Now the movies. Movies. Computer helps in making movies. There are many movies created through computers. Now music. Computer helps in composing songs and music. It is helpful to the musicians also. They take computers helps to in composing songs and music. Computer in calculations. Computer can do any kind of calculation given to it in just fraction of seconds, but it doesn't take any time to calculate. It is very fast. The calculations of computers are very fast.